Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about SilverStone VD120 or 240 Slim liquid cooler. So friends, these units are equipped with SilverStone's original 22 mm thick radiator and 16 mm thick 120 mm fan, making the entire unit only 38 mm thick, and this design makes it easy to install in a compact PC case with limited internal space, and it efficiently cools the GPU. And friends, the pump unit feature a 3-phase 6-pole motor with a rotation speed of 4200 plus or minus 10% RPM and rated voltage of 12 watt, and the cooling fan has a speed range of 300 to 1800 RPM, a noise level of 15.9 to 33.9 dBA, air volume of 66.83 CFM, a static pressure of 2.59 mmH2, and rated voltage of 12 watt, and the water block has dimensions of 74 mm wide, 74 mm deep, and 41 mm high, and the radiator size for the VD120 Slim is 120 mm wide, 22 mm thick, and 154 mm high, while the VD240 Slim has a radiator size of 120 mm wide, 22 mm thick, and 275 mm high, and both units support Intel LGA115, 1200, 1700, 2011, 2066, and AMD Socket AM4 or AM5 platforms. And in addition, SilverStone Technology has also released a 22 mm thick slim radiator version of their VIDA 120 Slim and added a 240 mm model to their AIO-approved VIDA SLIM, and these releases are aimed at providing consumer with more options for their water cooling needs at roughly $90. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.